Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about Quora video answers, all right? Definitely stick with me throughout the rest of this video. If you're trying to build a presence, you're trying to drive traffic, or do anything when it comes to Quora, definitely stick with me throughout the rest of this video, all right? All right, now also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this one right here, all right? All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into the content. I'm going to go ahead and minimize my camera. So we are here on Quora, guys. Now, most times when people think about Quora, they don't really think about building a presence, building that audience or community or anything like that. Most times when people use Quora, they're trying to use Quora to drive traffic, right? So think about Facebook. When you think about Facebook, you think about building out a targeted audience, right? So when you post, you get a good amount of engagement, right? You build up your followers. Same thing with YouTube. You build up your subscribers. Now, I want you guys to start thinking of Quora just like that. I know it's not like Facebook in a sense where, it's like you have a combined family, or you have a targeted amount of people that you can put out stuff and have them react to it. But this is similar in the fact that you can drive traffic to anything that you want to here on the internet. Now, I will say when it comes to posting affiliate links and different things like that, you want to be very careful because the Quora moderators, they will ban you if they catch you spamming. They will ban you. 100%. All right, so I just want to get that out of the way before we get into anything. All right, so since we're talking about video answers, I'm going to go over to my actual profile real quick, and I want to show you where I did a video answer, and I'm going to show you a little bit later how it actually works, like how you actually use it on mobile, because you can only use the video feature on mobile right now. You can't actually do it on desktop. All right, so let me go over to my profile. All right, so as it's loading, guys, once it loads up, I'm going to show you the one that I literally just did today, okay? All right, so let's scroll down. All right, so here it is right here, guys. So I saw this question, and I was like, okay, I want to use the feature. I want to show people how it actually works. So I saw this question, and I knew I could give an answer to it. So what I did is I got on my phone, right? So let me grab my phone real quick. So I literally was on my phone. I'm going to show you guys how this works. I actually have a little clip, but I grabbed my phone. I saw the question, and I said, okay, let me help this person. Let me provide some value to this person. So I'm actually going to show you the video. I'm going to let it play here in a moment. All right, so let's click on it here. It should start to play. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's just click into it, and then hopefully it works as it should. All right, so hopefully you've written an answer. Where is it? Okay, so here it is right here. So I'm going to click on the video, and the video should start playing here in a moment. I don't know, maybe my internet is just, maybe it's acting slow at the particular time, but just bear with me. Come on, come on. Okay, so boom, here's the video. Once I click this, it will start playing, but notice I also put some written content in it as well, basically linking them over to this if they didn't really have, if they weren't really educated on it, all right? So here we go. So I'm gonna play the video.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Rakeem, and
Oh, sorry about that.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Rakeem, and
I have no idea why it's pausing. Maybe that's my internet again. I have no idea. All right, just bear with me, guys.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Rakeem, and
I think it's every time that I move it, it does that.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Rakeem, and
Okay, guys, I don't know what's happening to it right now. Maybe it's not fully processed at the particular time. But basically, I answered the question, right? I answered this question that you see here, right? So I provided value to them. Now, keep in mind, guys, I just did this probably about 30 minutes ago, okay? Now, let's pay attention to the amount of views that it has already. 33 views already, And I just did it, guys. So I want you to think about this. Now people are seeing me like me. They're not just seeing me write an answer or put my YouTube video. They're seeing me like using the platform for what it has. Okay, it's a written question and answer platform, but they also have the video feature. Sorry, they also have the video feature that allows you to become a lot more personal. So when you answer a question, it's not just, oh, you just see that. It's visual. They see visual. They see how you speak, right? They can see certain things about you. So it's a lot different. So now it's just like on Facebook when you do a Facebook Live or you're doing YouTube videos and your audience is used to seeing you, you're building up a following right here on Quora. So people will start to trust you a whole lot more, and they won't even think like if they really like you, if they really like the value that you've just given them and you're constantly giving value, they have no problem going to whatever links that you want to put in your answers. They have no problem because they know that you provide value. You see that's definitely a game changer. Yes, I love putting my YouTube links and sending people over to YouTube, over to my YouTube channel, and also I love putting affiliate links from time to time and sending people over to my offer. But what happens when I build a base right here on Quora and my followers are going through the roof? My traffic is going to increase. Everything that I'm trying to accomplish is going to start to happen because I'm using the platform for what it has. Okay, so what I want to do real quick is I'm going to show you this clip to show you exactly how it should be done on your mobile phone. So just pay attention and I'll see you at the end of the video, all right?
All right, guys, so I'm here on my phone. Now, what you want to do is I'm going to go over here to the Quora app and I'm going to click on it. All right, so I'm inside of Quora right now. So as I'm going through, you can see how many people who own YouTube accounts actually make money from video uploads. Let's say I actually want to answer that question. I'm going to click on the answer button. And then you see right here, down here in the bottom on the left side, it has the camera view. All I'm going to do is click on that camera view. And then depending on if I already have the video on my phone, then I can click on phone. But if I want to record it right here on the spot, boom, I hit the camera button and boom, you can see me right here right now. So I can go ahead and answer the question and then I would hit the record button. Then I would, after I'm done, I hit OK. And then I upload it to Quora. Okay. So hopefully this was helpful. Now back to the video.
All right, so you're back. All right, so now hopefully you got some value from actually, seeing that clip. If you have to, just go back and rewind it. It's a very simple process, but make sure you actually go out there and implement it. Start building a presence, growing your following on this site, because by default, when you grow your following, they have no problem going anywhere that you want to direct them because they trust you now. There has been rapport built. All right, so before I get out of here though, I did a video, and now if you look in the top right corner of this video right now, an eye is going to pop up. When that eye pops up, go ahead and click on that eye, and I want you to click on the video that's there. It's a video I did on Quora. Basically, it was basically like a 90-day challenge for anybody who wants to start generating traffic, sending people to YouTube, and all of those different things. But there's been a slight change, all right? And I want to give you that slight change, before you go and watch the video so that you understand, what I do differently now. All right, so number one thing is still based around keywords, topics, and spaces, okay? So you get your keyword, you go into the niche that you have knowledge in and you answer questions. But the second thing, the change is no less than 10 questions per day that you need to answer. So you need to answer at minimum 10 questions per day, and then no more than two links. So basically, if you answer 10 questions, only 2 of those questions you can actually link people out to somewhere. Okay, so hopefully that part makes sense. All right, and then last but not least, I always talk about this, and that's providing value. Okay, serve people, give people the real, don't give them fluff, right? And don't just spam your links, because once again, the Quora moderators will ban you. They won't hesitate. All right, so Be careful with that. All right, now besides that, hopefully you got some value from this video, and I hope that it was helpful, but don't forget to click the I in the top right corner of this video so that you can go over to that other video and you can accept the challenge that I gave to tons of people on that video to get started and do a 90-day Quora challenge. All right, so with that being said, like I said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment if this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.